How's it going? Today we are kit bashing. I am using some eBay buys and also some cool Underworlds terrain. So I'm going to try and make some unique terrain today for Age of Sigmar. So if you like what you see, the usual jazz, subscription, like, comment, blah blah blah. Anywho, yes, I bought this boat off eBay for £10. It's often £25 I think. And straight away I did not feel guilty what I was about to do to this thing. I wanted to make it look like it's flown into a bunch of flak and been shot down, or it's just really had a bad day. So I only wanted to use one of the wee dwarfs as the passengers, but unfortunately I'm going to drill a bunch of holes in him because he's unfortunately got a bunch of flak all over him and he's kind of dead. Big oof, rip to our unfortunate driver. So I was using some drilling, well I say drilling, screwing, drilling, whatever, to make it look like there was like ricochet impacts, and I was doing it in certain angles to make it look like it scraped across. I didn't want super clean little holes, I want it to look pretty battered, and it makes it look like there's been chunks taken out of the ship's hull, and it looks kind of cool. So I'm hoping after you see this you're excited, because the next video we're going to do the paint of this setup. But as you can see on screen, I am really trying to get a really cool look on this ship because it's really fun to drill a bunch of holes, clip bits out. It felt weird because this was basically a savable kit when I bought it off eBay. There's nothing wrong with it. There was just like, for some reason, I think like tiny little bits missing, but overall great kit, good condition, could use in game. But with my experience with Age of Sigmar, which is only a handful of games, me and my sad Nighthaunt have constantly lost to Caradon Overlords. They just fly away in their boats, shooting me from a distance. I get it, I suck, I can't help that. And this was kind of my revenge to be like, hey, I finally got you. I'm not that much of a sore loser, I just wanted to tell a story and I thought it'd be cool. And I thought it'd be cool because I'm going to have these two bits of terrain as separate parts. So essentially I'm going to just rest the gunboat on like the rocky terrain, and I don't have to glue it down, which makes it easier to transport, and it just looks cool because I can lay it on different angles. And right now on screen, as you can see, I'm tearing big holes into the bottom of that gunboat, so once you see it laying there, you're like, yeah, this thing's been shot out of the sky. There is no way this thing was gonna survive. Yes, there's a top half portion which has like the airship vibe, and then you have like the propellers, but I didn't want to include that. I'm going to use that for a different bit of scenery in the far future, but I'm going to use like some of the supports later on, so it makes it look like it's been like blown off or something. So yeah, as you can see, with all the holes in that gun hauler, it's had a pretty bad day. And there you see it resting up on the rocks, and I'm going to put some bits of scattered terrain on the rocks, so like bits of the propeller, some of the fallen bombs, just so it tells more of a story, which coincides with this unfortunate gunboat. And I wanted more, so I got another bit of Underworld's terrain, and I like the look of the flames. I was like, you know what, I'm going to have fire coming out of this boat to really emphasize that this boat, it be no sailing no more, it be kaput, it be done, it is gone. So as you see on the rocks there with the flames, it really adds to it. And now this was some further footage I recorded after originally doing that. I just added a bit of stuff on the base there to break it up, and then when we finally get to the end piece, I think it really brings it all together. And now this bit of terrain is waiting to get primed, and I cannot wait to paint it. And hopefully in the current video, what you see in the future next week or whenever you are here, you'll go check it out. So hopefully you like this video, and like I said earlier, a like, comment, subscription is greatly appreciated. Thank you to the people on screen, they're fantastic. I'm Alex, and this is Alex Attempts Tabletop, so hopefully I'll see you soon, and hopefully you feel better than that guy on screen. All the best.